All right, today we're checking out the Canon EOS Rebel T7, Canon's budget-friendly DSLR that's a great entry point into interchangeable lens photography for beginners or hobbyists. You get an APS-C sensor that's capable of solid photos with good detail and color for everyday shooting. Whether you're taking portraits, landscapes, travel shots, or family photos, the Rebel T7 handles it without overthinking. It's light, simple to use, and doesn't overwhelm you with complex menus. Perfect for people coming from a phone or point and shoot. Pair it with a kit lens and you've got a capable setup for travel, street, indoor photos, or casual shoots. For video, you get full HD, 1080p with autofocus, which isn't pro level, but for vlogging, casual video, or quick clips, it's perfectly fine. And because it's a DSLR, the battery life, ergonomics, and lens compatibility are solid. So who should buy the Rebel T7? Beginners, students, families, hobby photographers, anyone who wants to step up from phone photos into real camera quality without spending a fortune. Why buy it? Because it's affordable, easy to learn on, flexible with lenses, and delivers real DSLR quality photos for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos